So Mom and I spent tons of time in this aisle, especially when we're getting started, right?
Yeah.
And what we decided is all the fans pretty much put out the same air. So they have this contractor fan. Let's see if we can find it. Where's our fan, Mom? It's usually just right here on the end cap. Is that it right there? Anyway, again, we've got all of these fans. We got all of these options. And one thing we hate? Choosing, making decisions. We make so many decisions all day long that by the time we get to here and we're on our second or third shift, we don't want to make any more decisions. So somewhere around here, I can't find it right this second. It's always right here. There's a $42 fan or a $52 fan. But we decided that that was good enough, works enough, puts out enough air, and does all the things that we need it to do for all of the properties that we want to put it in. So now we've just got one fan, all right? I'm all about simplifying and still getting that look. We're still getting that feel. We're still getting, all the things that everybody's talking about, but I really want to help you make less decisions. Make it once and let's go. And yes, all right, somebody else is going to tell you that styles change and you need to update your whatever all the time. But I'm going to tell you that tenants break stuff. And you're going to be updating stuff whenever they break it. Okay? So it's really nice if you have one fan. Then your contractors know which fan to get. And it doesn't matter if it's in this neighborhood or that neighborhood or whatever. They come over here, they know which fan it is. Mama found it. It's right there. It's $39 right now, all right? Even cheaper than I remember. And it does the job and it looks great. So that's what else we're gonna do in the Honey Hole Challenge. One thing that women, especially women, really suffer from is, where do I get started? How do I know if it's a good deal? They've got all these questions. What if I'm not smart enough? What if I'm not good enough? What if, luckily I was raised by a real estate investor. So she taught me lots of things without even realizing she was teaching me lots of things, but we've learned a lot together just by being in the store for hours and hours and hours, right? That's what I want to help you with. I want to shortcut your learning curve. I want to help you get started, take action faster, and make that money sooner. That's why we have a 5-day free Honey Hole Challenge, so that you can stop asking so many questions and start taking more action. Join us. It's totally free. We're going to be there. Mom's going to be there with you all day, every day. I'm going to be there. My team in the office is going to be there. My flamingos are going to be there with you. It's a Honey Hole Challenge so that you can be the queen bee in one part of town. So you can get all that good buzz of all those neighbors so proud that you bought a house in their neighborhood and you're making it look so much better, and you're bringing in great people and they just love recommending you to all their friends with empty houses. That's what you need to be a successful real estate investor. That's what Mom taught me without even trying to teach me about it. Right, Mom? Now she's walking away. Join us in a free 5-day challenge to find your honey hole. There's a link. Click it, drop your email address, and join us. It's coming up soon. Don't miss it. See y'all there.